My career started as a veterinarian, and I was really interested in doing research and using cell culture and molecular biology methods. Luckily, I found a position here at DLR and I investigated the effects of UV radiation on gene expression in human cells. I found a really interesting pathway, and the question was then whether also space radiation, especially heavy ions as an important component, activate this pathway. And therefore, I did many experiments at heavy ion accelerators around the world. It was very difficult to get funding for this very special research field of space radiation biology. So I had to write many proposals. And in the end, I was successful in getting funding for a graduate school in which 45 doctoral students did their PhD on topics of space life sciences. As head of department, besides the manifold administrative tasks, I plan the research agenda of the department together with the group leaders and the institute's direction. I also manage the resources of the department and support many young scientists in their career. I teach immunology and radiation biology, and I like writing manuscripts for scientific journals and books and book chapters. Also, I do peer review of scientific manuscripts, and sometimes I organize sessions of scientific meetings, such as COSPAR, the Committee of Space Research. Everyone is so enthusiastic about the space field. I really like to look at the pictures of the Mars surface. They're really marvelous, and they show how close our field is to the origins of life, of the universe and of our solar system. And so I'm always in touch with the fundamental questions of our existence. A big dream of humanity is to go to Mars and other celestial bodies in our solar system. And space radiation is a major limitation here. Therefore, I would really like to find out how heavy ions damage our body and find solutions to avoid these detrimental effects. The results of this research is not only beneficiary for space, but also for terrestrial applications, as heavy ions can be also applied for cancer therapy. So we would like to learn how to use carbon ions optimally to treat cancer. Thinking about the skills that I need for my daily work, I think it's important to have a high-level view of the research field, but also the ability to concentrate for a long time and go really deep into detail. As head of a department with more than 40 people, communication skills are really crucial, and also a lot of endurance and scientific skills are needed. I'm really proud that I developed from a veterinarian who was just interested in doing research into one of the few radiation biologists doing space research in the world. I admire a lot Sarah Batou, head of the radiobiology unit at the Belgium Nuclear Research Center. She initiated many projects in space life sciences, such as the Space Summer School in a small country like Belgium. And currently, she's bringing together the community writing an electronic textbook on radiation biology. I would recommend young students interested in space life sciences to study basic science first, such as biology, physics, engineering, or medicine, and specialized only afterwards.